In this video, we will show the best pigmentation creams available to buy. At number 10. Nutriglow Facial Exfoliator, a unique formulation to help clarify skin, prevent the appearance of discoloration, leaving skin fresh and even-toned. At number 9. Naturah Pigmentation Cream, it repairs skin damage, protects against skin damage and soothes dryness, it provides sun protection, it is the best for wrinkles. At number 8. Aarogyam Herbals Anti-Pigmentation Face Pack, it reduces melasma, blemish, tan, and pigmentation, it gives fair complexion, improves skin tone with bouncy feel. At number 7. Vedicline Meladyne Depigmentation Cream, it is formulated to take on uneven skin tone with its high-potency actives. This cream contains ingredients that are popularly used in pigmentation treatments. At number 6. O3 Plus Whitening Fairness Cream, it is enriched with antioxidants and hydrating properties, helps in accelerating brightness while improving the skin tone and minimizing pigmentation. At number 5. Vaadi Herbals Anti-Pigmentation Cream, a super-rich mixture of various essential oils. This massage cream leaves your skin feeling super soft, supple and refreshed. At number 4. Jovees Anti-Blemish Pigmentation Cream, it minimizes pigmentation marks and clear blemishes. It also helps improve skin clarity and reduces the appearance of discoloration. At number 3. Kaya Clinic Pigmentation Cream, it is fast-absorbing night cream for resistant spots, tanning and pigmentation marks, formulated with highly potent actives. At number 2. EQUIL Skin Radiance Cream, it contains clinically proven ingredients, it has non-comedogenic formulation for all skin types, it is dermatologically tested. At number 1. Bella Vita Face Cream, it effectively lightens blemishes and pigmentation, dark spots, freckles, acne, pimple scars, it moisturizes and hydrates skin.